you are plus size woman over 50 looking for summer essentials on a budget, keep watching. Bonjour French Chic ladies, summer is here. Many of you have said, Marianne, we are looking for chic, practical, comfortable summer essentials, but on a budget. I searched high and low on the net for you. Quality comes at a premium, but I managed to keep all the pieces under $100, except for one. You will love them. Our first item is a V-neck t-shirt. This one is in light blue, but it's also available in 3 other shades. This one is in 100% linen. So it is cool, it is fresh, it's gonna keep you comfortable in the heat. It has short sleeve that you can roll up if you like for better styling. The V-neck is flattering because it elongates and slims the bust area. The linen t-shirt is an essential piece for summer. You can dress it up or dress it as casual. This t-shirt is available up to size 4X and it is on sale. The price $35.99. All the links to these items will be in the description box below the video. By the way, if you're unsure about your body shape, go down in the description to download my free course called Shape Up. This course will help you discover your body shape. Did I say it's free? Enroll now. Our next summer essential for plus size women on a budget is the cotton shirt. Yes, this is an absolute essential, and I will say not only for summer. And this is the beauty of a button-down shirt. You can wear it for all seasons. Of course, in the summer, you're going to wear it on its own or even as a cover-up over a dress, over a top, over your swimsuit, and even all the t-shirt that we've just seen. So this shirt in 100% cotton, so it is breathable, it is comfortable in the summer. This shirt that I've chosen for you is striped, available in a number of other colors. Why do I love stripes? Not only is it a lovely print, but it is a slimming and elongating print. So very good for you plus size ladies, that will elongate you and slim you. 1 pound slimmer? For sure.
1 pound?
10 pounds slimmer? For sure. And it has long sleeves for you ladies who always ask me about long sleeves. And the beauty of it, you can keep them long or roll them up or fold them up as you wish. As I said, you can wear it open, fastened up, or knotted at the side or at the front, or folded at the front inside your trousers or skirt. You can wear this shirt everywhere and with absolutely everything. This shirt is available in sizes up to 3X. And the price only $29.99. I want one in every color. What's not to like? For those of you who notice that this model is young and slim, I can't use plus size women over 50 as models if the brands themselves don't use them. Just use some style imagination. Our next summer essentials for plus size women over 50 on a budget is this beautiful white eyelet shirt dress. It is in 100% cotton, so comfortable, breathable. It is breathable, my lovely ladies, and breathable. It is available in white or in green, short sleeves and a removable belt. So you have the choice on whether you wear that white belt or a belt of your own choice. And it is lined. We all love a white dress that is lined, don't we ladies? A dress like this is an absolute essential in a summer wardrobe. Wear it with flats or with heels, wear it with fancy jewelry for an evening out, or wear it with flat or sandals during the daytime. Take it on vacation with you, take it over on a weekend or for a city break. This type of dress is ultra versatile. It is available in size up to 3X. And the cherry on the cake, it is on sale at the moment, only at $58. Get one while you can. Our next summer essential on a budget is bootcut jeans. Now listen well, my lovely ladies. These jeans are full length and they are dark indigo and they are bootcut. So these 3 elements make them visually slimming. and also very elegant and flattering. These jeans in particular contain some spandex for more comfort from the brand Wit and Wisdom, who are renowned for their jeans that slim you down because they contained their ab solution. I love this term. It is around the tummy area and the waistline so that they keep you in and slims you down, creating a slimmer you. And these jeans are available up to 24W. And the price only $88. Do you have bootcut jeans? Let us know in the comments. By the way, have you subscribed yet? If not, please click on the subscribe button and click the like and share the video. And please comment. I love hearing what you have to say. Our next summer essential on a budget is a linen suit. A three-piece suit for summer? Marianne, are you mad? No. This one is in 100% linen. And linen is breathable and cools you down. It is comfortable. So please, ladies, wear linen. Okay, let's start with the blazer. The blazer is single-breasted, so it is slimming. It is available in 3 other pastel colors. The waistcoat has a V-neck line, so slimming again. And it has a small tie at the back, so it can be adjusted to create a slimmer waistline. The trousers are well tailored with 2 pockets at the sides and are tapering towards the ankles. This suit is flattering because every single piece of the suit is visually slimming and it is minimalistic in the design. A beauty of a 3-piece suit is its versatility. On a cool days, you can wear it as a 3-piece suit, but you can also wear it as a 2-piece or 1-piece, mix and match with other pieces that you have. And that really makes a 3-piece suit highly versatile and a workhorse of your wardrobe. In ways to wear it, just run your imagination wide. And already with the pieces that I've shown you, you can create a number of outfits. The blazer, for instance, wear it over the t-shirt, with the shirt, with the jeans, and the waistcoat over the t-shirt, over the shirt, and with the jeans again, and the trousers with the shirt and the t-shirt. You can see how many options they give you. Let us know in the comments if you love 3-piece suits just as much as I love them. So this suit is available up to size 22. And for the prices, the blazer is $120, the waistcoat $50 only, and the pants only $50. That's a great bargain. I find this linen suit very chic. And remember, a chic Marianne is a happy Marianne. What are your summer essentials? Let us know in the comments. We all know that no summer capsule is complete without a swimsuit. Our next summer essentials for women over 50 on a budget. I chose this black swimsuit because it is so glamorous. The style is classic, elegant, and flattering. It has a diamond neckline which supports the bust. It has adjustable straps for better fit. It has removable soft cups for perfect fit. It has retro style low leg and full bottom coverage. And la pièce de résistance is a power mesh for the tummy and waist area, so it keeps you all in and gives you that viable figure. It is available in sizes 48, 50 and 52 and 1X, 2X and 3X. And the price? Only $28. I love it. Let me know if you love it as much. Our next summer essentials for plus size women over 50 on a budget. It is those espadrille sandals. These are made in leather uppers and jute wedges. They are available in cream, gold and black. And these are from Clarks. And we all know that Clarks are well renowned for their quality and then superb comfort. They come up to size 12 and in fitting medium and wide. What I love about these sandals, your feet will be well supported and they will be comfortable to wear. And it is important in the summer because your feet will swell a little and you need to feel comfortable. And strappy sandals are so much more comfortable to wear, especially when you walk, than just mules or flip-flops. Comfort plus chic. Yes. And the price? $110. Our next summer essential on a budget is a straw bag. Who wouldn't be without this straw bag? The one I found you is in paper rope, so it is made of a natural material. It is lined and has a zip at the top, so it keeps all your items secure. And the good thing with straw bags, because they are neutral color, they go with everything. And the price only $29.99. I think you should bag one now. They always say if you want to get ahead, get a hat. So our next summer essential on a budget is a straw hat, of course. And this one is absolutely glamorous. The brim is much wider than this one. So not only will it protect your head, your neck, and your cleavage from the sun, but it brings you so much glamour. J'adore. The price, you got it covered at $69. The next summer essential is a pair of sunnies. Bring up the glamour. If you enjoyed finding out about summer essentials for plus-size women over 50 on budget, you will love finding out about summer dresses here and here.